So this is how we make millions with Faceless YouTube videos. Hey everybody, you guys, welcome back to Market Show channels. Let me be honest with you. I was not feeling okay with this video. I was fatigued today. I was tired. I was not feeling any energy to go to camera. I had no energy at all and I had no motivation. But there's something that hit me. I remembered that I should not sacrifice the day of my earnings today because of not feeling well and of not facing the camera. I remembered that there are many creators out there who are not showing their faces and they're making millions of money. I remembered that I've made such videos and they're making money. So in today's video, I made a decision to go faceless. And it turned to be a topic that I can show you how to make millions with faceless YouTube videos, even on other social media platforms. So this decision I made, you can also make it and start faceless channels, irrespective of where you are, irrespective of how you are, irrespective of the gadget you use. You'll be making dollars out of it without ever appearing on a screen on your camera. So gather together and let's dive in and see how we can do it. Before that, I salute every individual that has been there for Immaculate Show, that has been there, especially our royal viewers, our subscribers that are coming in every day. Please, the seats are there. This is a disclaimer for this video. I'm not a financial advisor, but I give you the tips of how I've succeeded in this within my 4 years. So you can apply them or you can leave them. It's up to you. Me, I'm sharing what has made me, what has worked for me. And don't forget, I share 1 to 2% of it. If you want 99, please, you can look for them yourself, or you can even go ahead and register for masterclass on my channel. So let's dive in. In this video, you're going to be looking at 3 important things. We're going to see how you can start a faceless YouTube channel today. I'm going to bring in examples of the channels that are making serious money, because some of you, most of us, especially human beings, they want to see, they want to touch, they want to look, they want to be convinced. I'm not here to convince you, but I'm here to throw some light for you. Then we are going to be seeing also the best niches and AI tools that can automate the process. Without doing ado, stick with me, you guys, and by the end of this video, you'll have a blueprint on how to start making money making passive income with YouTube. Here we go. Let's first talk on the first class of this video. I'm going to show you how you can really make money with faceless YouTube. Is it true you can make a faceless YouTube and earn millions of money? Yes, you can. And here we have the proof. Since you want proof, let me show you 3 channels that are making 6 and 7 figures yearly and monthly without showing their faces. One, we have Alex.com. This is a luxurious brand motivational channel which gets millions of views every month. They are using stock footage and even they use AI voiceovers and engage storytelling with videos. With this one, they earn some good amount of money. The estimated revenue income here is about $1 million on a yearly basis. They get from AdSense, they get from courses they sell, and even sponsorship. The second channel, we are going to see the bright side, as you can see on the screen. This is Everseen. If you've ever seen some of the animated explainer videos, Brightside makes them very well, and it is making around $5 million per year by creating faceless, engaging, and educational videos. Then the third is Top 5 Best, which I love so much. It's a simple review channel which showcases gadgets and taken reviews with voiceovers. This channel easily earns around $50 per month with additional revenue from affiliate marketing. This is so huge. You guys, let me give you the best part is this one. You can start your faceless channel without any experience and with completely zero experience. So let's dive in and see exactly how can we start a faceless YouTube channel. You guys, how do you know? I know you are there with me. I want you to get your gadget and we start together. How do you start? I'm going to give you a simple step-by-step guide, but this guide, you can launch it to earn your millions. When you are talking about millions, you're not going to start and see the money running away. You'll have to go step by step and even good practices. And as I told you, 99%, look it for yourself. Please don't expect that you're going to get all the money from this video. Let's see how exactly you can choose, you can start a channel. The first step, it has like 3 steps, 3 to 4. The first step, you have to choose a profitable niche. Getting a profitable niche is very important. The niche that makes all the difference, you guys, it's about your money that you're going to get. And these are the profitable faceless niches you can venture in and you start making money. One is motivation and business. Motivation and business, when we're talking about it, we are talking about inspirational speeches, success stories, and others. Then the second is tech review and tutorials. It's where we're going to find product reviews, AI tools and apps. The third is luxury and fitness, whereby you're going to find stocks, investing, making money online like the one I do. That is mine. Then the third is luxury and fitness, whereby you'll find weight loss, you'll find mental health. Then the last, we are going to look at facts and documentaries. This is where you find mysteries, history, space content. This is all in facts and documentaries. What I can give you as a pro tip here, you guys, pick a niche that is high paying and easy for you to do. Automation. You can also pick a niche that you are in love with. You know you can, even if you come out of bed, you can do something with it. You can be consistent with it, not to scratch your head. So the second step on making your YouTube channel, you have to gather content. When you're talking about gathering content like what I did, you gather content without showing your face, only your voice. Once you choose a niche, you need content, you guys. Instead of recording yourself, you're going to use stock videos, you're going to use animations. You can get stock video from Pixel, you can get them from Pixabay, and even Storyblocks. Then you can also go and use AI generated voiceovers. Here you can use speech hello. You can use also Math, you can use Eleven Labs. These ones can help you in generating voiceovers. Then you can also go and try text-based storytelling. With this here, you'll specialize and you'll just go and sit on ChatGPT for script writing. Then the third step on making your channel is edit your videos and upload. When you edit your videos, you'll earn easy and fast. How? You don't need fancy editing skills. You people, I learned from this, I learned from the job. So I use Canva and CapCut. This one is very simple and it doesn't give me headache. It has high quality editing features. Then the second one is Picture AI. This one turns text into video automatically. Then I've used also InVideo. What I did, I drag and dropped the video and it started its creation. Only that I used it for 2 weeks after the expiration of its membership, of the membership and paid. The first step is upload and optimize for money making. To upload and make money, it is deep. You have to create eye-catching thumbnails. You will use something like Canva and even Photoshop. I use only Canva here. You can write also SEO to optimize titles and description. And on this one, you people, I use the AI tools ChatGPT and DeepSeek majorly. Then you can also monetize smartly. When we are talking about monetizing smartly, you can decide to push your fingers. You can use AdSense, which is from YouTube directly. You can go for sponsorship of brands, affiliate marketing. So here the ball is in your hands for you to choose what you want to do. Now you guys, this is why I told you that it is simple and easy. But before that, let me ask, why Faceless YouTube is the best business model? I know someone out there might be wanting to ask me. You know, it is best for you to use it, especially when you're a beginner, because it has unlimited earning potential, whereby your channel like Brightside can make millions using animated videos. You can do it also. I can do it. The second one is about passive income and automation. You upload once and videos make money for years. You can use AI and automation tools. Why not? You can do it. Then you can also go ahead and use pictures. No need to show your face. And you know, when you're not showing your face, you'll be seated in the bed like the one seated in the bed. Whatever you see, photos of mine are just old photos. I'm just putting them there. But recording this video, I recorded it with a phone in my bed. I did not go out of my bed. Now that I've given you people these ideas, here you can earn millions of dollars with Faceless YouTube. But question is, which niche are you interested in? Drop a comment below. I will reply everybody. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and even turn notification so you don't miss any of my videos. If I don't reply your comment, please bear with me. I will reply it anytime. Comment will not escape. Thank you very much. Let's go and make money without showing our faces.